FP tomorrow. I think trading at night it's good. It depends on exactly what time are you trading. My G. Okay, guys. Can we do questions and answers? All those who need to ask questions, we take them in. We ask questions. When we're done, we follow the next person. We can all go live. Request. Start requesting. Start requesting. You know, Instagram can take as many as 3 people now. So start requesting. I'll accept all of you guys. Grotman, show man. Let's hope my network will be then. Let's hope my network will be better by then. So, let's see. Do you give free signals? No, not at the moment. Let's see. Let's say, para. My network. I hope it's not my network. My network. It's always bad at these times. I don't know why. Let's give it a try again. The network, yeah, go to how. The network is bad.
Yeah. Yeah.
The network is bad, especially like Spanish. I'm using rain, so the flop.
Oh, yeah. Because number one, I don't know if I'm slow. I'm going to come back.
Hey, in a low buys, oh, busy guy next week.
Next week, I'll be looking at pound. You know, a dividend. And also, like, with the Nasdaq, remember that signal you sent me that, oh no, what, this week, ne? Or last week, Friday?
It was last week.
Yes, last week. Ne?
Yeah.
And we wouldn't repeat this so much. Yeah.
That was a fire signal because we ate. I think I ate more than twice on it, but I didn't pay attention later on.
I executed it. I opened another account, I executed, and I just erased the account because I knew that was like, no, I'm just gonna hold this one because I knew the temptation. I knew I've been tempted somehow.
Yeah, because I also checked it the time you checked me on it. I also checked it, and it is pushed. It pushes the blind.
Yeah, it's sure.
Yeah, next week it will join. It will join next week.
Okay, next week then. Because I have some few setups as well on even the pound AUD. The pound AUD will be showing the pound AUD next week. On sale.
Yeah. Next week we're gonna go on pushing. We're pushing, yeah.
Yeah. Eric, if you just something, yeah, I'm just gonna catch up.
No, let's stress it. Thank you, Prophet. Jim shot. Well, we have next coming in. Okay, how to set a stop loss. Okay, I'm going to be reading all the questions now. Okay, Q&A. Let's read Q&A, guys. My battery is like 20%, but it can last us long. Okay, Q&A, guys. Let's have questions coming now. How did you end up being good with indices? Okay, I'll go through this. Let's start with says, I think trading at night is good. Okay, I think I read this. Kings of Kings, thanks, man. May bra, I lost 10K. I need your help big time. Masibi, please inbox me. So how do you grow small accounts? When it comes to currencies, please text Donald. If it's about Nasdaq, then inbox me. Bro, are you rich? I'm not rich, bro. I'm broke. I'm still trying to get rich. Do you trade only New York session? Mostly. How do you end up being so good with indices? Practice. I think I've always mentioned it that you always need to stay on the charts at all times. Someone said, then Kamo Forex said, add me. Can you request? Then we'll add you. Which broker do you recommend? Can you please check the broker on my bio? It is network. Okay, there we went through it. Which time frame you use to place trades? 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15. Trade 245 is refusing to pay us. Who is actually, what's his name? Masango Kutlwano. Kutlwano, can you please inbox me how to set a stop loss? And that one, it's actually simple. As soon as before you set your trade on, or let's say before you execute a trade, if you check, I think uh there's a green and red line. You check there, it's written stop loss and take profit. TP and SL. Which broker do you recommend? Trade 245. Why don't you give out free signals? I do at times, but not always. How to set? Okay, I think help me. I did that. How do you deal with big losses? A loss, it's a loss. I only take it, accept it, and move on. What advice can you give for the new trader? Please don't give up. How long have you been trading? I think 4 years to 5 now. Kamo said requested check it. Okay, Kamo, let's check you. Where are you? Let's hear what you have. 40 people on our live. Let's take Kamo in if he does accept that.
Awe my prince.
Man, what's up?
Lekker
What's happening? What's
leadership.
happening?
Nothing much, bro. I have opened Nasdaq position, so the market is closed, and only one was in profit. So I've had to tracking or yes, it had the level of is it H4? So do you think I will win Nasdaq?
I'm not with my laptop. I'm not with my laptop at the moment, but let's see. I'll have to analyze and then get back to you. Inbox me, then we'll talk.
Okay, I did inbox you. Okay, no problem. Sorry? I bought it. It's a buy. Actually, I didn't trade the CFD yet. Uh,
What confirmations did you get before buying? Before buying, you should have seen something. You cannot just buy without having a reason.
my entry.
Okay, 14760. On what confirmations did you use, or what confirmations did you?
Uh, I saw it testing. Which prices was that? Actually, I'm not sure, but I normally use one 15 minutes.
Okay, on when I mean confirmation.
Uh, my analysis. So that's why I'm checking. I wanted to confirm. I'll get back to you just now. Okay.
Guys, can I just announce something before I answer all these questions? Which leverage do you use? 1 is to 500. What is a free channel signal? People complaining about trade 245. Those who are having problems with trade 245, don't worry about people having problems. Worry about yourself. If you don't have a problem, don't worry about others. One level-headed dude. God bless you. Okay. Which leverage do you use? I think I answered. With smaller account, we trade currencies. In the beginning, were you scared? Obvious. How do you become a confident trader, make more money? How to grow smaller account? I have 200. Can you manage my account? I don't manage account. So to trade currencies. Okay, I wanted to answer the guy that was live with me just now. Oh, this guy is telling me that I should confirm a trade for him. He took the trade already, but he's telling me to confirm for him. Okay, I asked him, what confirmations did you see before buying? Or what gave you a sign that it's going to buy? He doesn't know. He just bought. That is one reason why a lot of people are blowing accounts. A lot of people are not successful in Forex. It's because of we are only trading just because of we're seeing a trend, or we're seeing a bullish market, or we're seeing bullish candlesticks, you understand, or bearish candlesticks. That is one thing that affects us a lot when it comes to trading. A lot of people don't check it a lot because of you guys buy without having a confirmations. You sell without having any confirmation that you see on the market. So this affects you guys. It affects a lot because you guys are just opening positions. You don't even know why you're opening a position. You don't even get a reason why you opening that position. So it really affects your trading plan or whatever you're planning on doing, or your next move on the market. So guys, please, let's try by all means to get a reason to get a buy or to get a sell before you take anything on the market. Please get a confirmation. Show me. Chap chap, how's it? On
Good,
robots,
man. I'm saying what's your take on it? Yes.
I don't use robots, so I don't know, bro. I don't know. I've never used them, so I cannot say they don't work. But I've never used them. I hear a lot of people saying they don't work.
Do
I've
you know
never
anyone
really
who's
used
made
them.
money
But
from them?
sorry,
I said, do you know anyone who's ever made money from a robot before?
nobody.
Yeah. Because I just bought a robot for 2.5 and I'm a bit skeptical.
From who?
What you call Nasdaq Ghost.
Hey, I don't know him. I've heard of him, but I don't know him. I don't know. I don't know. I don't wanna like say anything bad about his robots. I don't know anything about robots. I've never used one, but I don't trust none of
Because
those.
the reason why I
I'm
ended
not
up
saying.
the reason why I ended up buying it is because
Mhm.
I saw like he's been posting recently like his student results and all of them are like really impressive.
Have you ever checked with one student?
Yeah, I tried to DM this other guy, but then he didn't respond yet. But from like the results he's been posting on his WhatsApp status and on Instagram, it shows like it's working.
Okay. Let me just say one thing. I'm not going to say anything bad about this robot or say that this robot is not. It doesn't work. Let me tell you one thing. Whenever you confirming students or you confirm a mentor that is legit or whatever he's posting on Instagram is legit, you need to do a thorough research. Because trust me, Instagram it's for people who are actually on business. Whatever they are marketing on Instagram, they are marketing positive things only. They will never market anything negative just because of they are looking for clients. So you need to really check what's happening on Instagram. Check what kind of a mentor is he, what kind of lifestyle is he living. Because a lot of people are selling a lifestyle. They are selling a lifestyle on Instagram. A lot of people they find themselves in trouble just because of they pretend to be who they are not. They pretend to be on a level that they haven't reached yet. So you need to do some thorough research because you might find out later on you crying or you saying that his robot doesn't work or it does. I don't know. I'm not saying it doesn't work, but I'm just telling you that when you look for a mentor, stop looking for a lifestyle or whatever that he does have. Look for knowledge. Can I ask you why you bought the robot instead of telling him to teach you how to trade?
Well, I tried trading on my own, and the money I actually used by the robot was the profits I made from the trading I'd made.
So which means
Because before that,
which means that you can trade as long as you can make profits, which means that you can trade. Why do you underestimate your knowledge that you have and trust someone's robot?
because the market, I don't know. I guess the market was. I just thought it was an easier way out. Like, it was gonna put less pressure on myself.
There's no easy way to success. Let me tell you something. There's no easy way to success. There's no way that you'll find gold lying there on the ground, or you'll find money and pick up money right there. There's no such. There's no such. Trust me, you'll never take the easy way. There's no shortcut to success. You'll never have any shortcut. If you don't go through the worst, then you will never succeed. You always have to trust in yourself and improve your knowledge.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks, man. I think you've answered what I actually needed to hear.
You have. Improve the knowledge that you have. The knowledge that you have works more than that robot. Trust me, the knowledge that you have works more than that robot. As long as you could make that amount of money, as long as you could make that amount of money like 2.5, which means you can do more.
I have done more. The highest I've ever made from Forex was $30,000.
Exactly. So you can do more from that. So don't underestimate yourself. You can do more.
Yeah.
So just keep on practicing and improve your knowledge.
Okay, man. Thanks, man.
Away, buddy. Let's take the next person. What's happening? What's up, my guy?
I'm chill. I was on your live sometime last year, man. Struggling with Forex, but now
how is it going?
I'm not over studying though.
Is it going well?
Yeah. I've noticed something about this trading thing. It's more about patience and understanding. You don't have to look at money like money. Just look at it as a percentage. It'll work. That's what I do now. I analyze, trade, close the rate, go. Yeah, just go and live it.
One thing with Forex, let me tell you one thing about trading. When it comes to trading, don't rush to say that I'm making money so that I can buy this. Don't make plans for the money before you achieve it. That is one thing I can tell you. Don't ever make plans from profits that you haven't reached to yet. If you haven't touched the money, don't make plans. That is how Forex is. The moment you start making plans before you start making profits, everything goes wrong. You'd rather focus on working much than you make plans as soon as you get the money. Don't rush to say that I'm making plans for this money. I need to buy this. I need to buy this. You're going to fail because you're going to put your focus more on the money than the knowledge that you have, or than applying the rules that are needed. So it affects you a lot. That is where psychology comes in, because you have too much pressure, because of that you have a target of this and this and this. So it puts too much pressure on you. Actually, his network is off, so yeah, but I'm sure he's listening. So guys, don't ever plan for the money that you don't have. Don't ever plan for the profits that you don't have. This is what puts a lot of traders under pressure. It mostly kills a lot of traders. It puts them under pressure just because of they are rushing to get something that they don't have money for. So don't ever plan for the profits that you're going to make. Plan after the profits. That's the only thing that I can tell you for now. Trade 245 bonus is rescue the deposit money. When the deposit money is lost, bonus will still hold the trade. Yeah, bonus rescue does. It does, but 100% bonus, it only helps you to open trades. If you are a person of over leveraging, if you know you're going to over leverage, you're going to get something like that. So yeah. Let's see who's next. What's up? What's up? What's happening?
Good, Printer. I have a question. I need your help here.
Okay, talk to me, my guy. I'm listening.
I wanted to ask how can I start trading
about robot.
because like I focus on trading, then my school will start to lag. But then when I balance my schoolwork, then trading, that trading was needs
Okay, you
like
balancing your schoolwork plus trading.
yes.
Okay, schoolwork or trading, guys. Let me just be honest with you. When it comes to practice in trading with your school of a little time to practice. Even if it's an hour to practice, guys, it's a lot. Trust me, it's a lot to practice. Just 1 hour. You find yourself 1 hour, 30 minutes to look at the chart every day. It can actually bring a lot of improvement. Just the fact that you are always on the market, you know what happened today, you know what's going to happen tomorrow. That update that you always keep updating yourself with, it actually brings a lot. So it depends now if you are a person of checking signals or you're a person of depending on self-knowledge. If it's about self-knowledge, it's much easier. You know, you trade at your own time. You set a time and then you schedule your things that you know that at this particular time I'll be on the market checking and practicing as well. So I hope that was clear.
So like do you consider like as in like now I'm going to write the exams. So do you consider if I can still trade?
If you can still trade, that
Can
is
I
up
still
to
trade
you, and that
while
also goes. Yeah, you can still trade while writing exams, but that also goes with how you plan your things, how you prefer working on things. Because remember, while you are going to write exams, you need enough time to prepare. If you are a person of saying that I'll prepare when the exams are here, then it's going to be a little bit difficult because you're going to have a lot of pressure at the same time. But if you know that you've been studying before this, you know that obviously you're not going to put much pressure on the books. You are just going to revise. You get the point?
okay.
Exactly.
Alright, thank you.
So I hope you answered
Sure.
now, isn't it?
Yes.
Cool, man. Uh, let's
Oh,
see who's good one. Bro, what do you think about upcoming trade? Upcoming trade or upcoming traders? Okay, this is the problem that I'm having with upcoming traders. You guys are rushing to teach people how to trade. Let me be honest with you. Let me just be honest. Staying honest, you guys are rushing to teach people how to trade, yet you don't even know how to trade yourself. Just because of you know people are making money with classes or with students, you are rushing to actually teach people. Then, after taking people's money, you don't give them what they want. People start calling Forex a scam. You guys not. I don't know how many of you guys are doing this thing of saying that after coming from a class, you're already opening your own Forex company, you're already teaching, you're already a mentor. Guys, this is not a game of taking chances. People will kill you, trust me. This is not a game of taking chances whereby you just want to teach people that you don't know what you're doing. People are going to be harsh on you, and some of you guys don't even pray. So it's going to be tough. You're not going to handle the pressure from people. This thing of lying to people, stealing people's results, and posting them saying you are trading, then after taking people's money, you run away, then people call Forex a scam. Most people who are actually opening this new traders who are actually telling themselves that they are now teaching how to trade. They are one of the people who are actually affecting the industry of Forex. They are the reason behind people calling Forex a scam. That is what's happening. So, guys, please, let's not take chances. Like, if you don't know how to trade, you don't know how to trade. If you cannot make money from the from the market, then you don't know how to trade. That is one thing that I'll tell you. Stop forcing things. You don't have to force things that are to you don't have to force things before the time arrives. So this is what mostly happens. So guys, please, let's not tarnish up the game or the whole Forex industry just because of we're trying to get money from people. There's a lot of money out there, but you only need to get it the right way. You only need to get it the right way. If you don't know how to trade euro, you cannot teach someone how to trade. If you have never made money from Forex, if you have never made money from the market, you cannot teach. We're not talking about one day whereby you make $100 or $20, then you say I've made money. No, we're talking about serious money here. You guys, many of you guys don't know what money is, so everybody's like taking chances trying to teach people how to trade so that they can make a living out of it. It's not that easy. Trust me, it's not that easy. We've been in this game for more than 4 years now. We know exactly what's happening. So it's not easy, guys. Don't try to do all those kind of things. I'm mentors selling their strategy or what? I'm confused on my other mentors. It's 5,000 and other it's 500. Okay, let me tell you. People sell signals and strategies for 500. I don't do that, guys. I don't have any signal for 500 unless it's weekly signal. If someone does come to me and say, okay, what, you know what, can you please do me a favor? I have this amount and I don't have any other thing that I can pay with. That's when we can agree on something. But I don't have anything that is worth 500 bucks. Reason why, I know exactly what I teach. You get the point. I know exactly the amount of time that I'm going to give you. If I'm going to meet you on one-on-one, we are not going to meet only once. We're going to meet a couple of times. You get the point? We're going to do Zoom sessions a couple of times. Remember, I will use the money to travel. I will use the money to buy you food whenever we meet. I'll use the money to buy data whenever we're going to go live. You understand? Or whenever we're going to do Zoom sessions. So I know exactly the kind of service that I'm going to give to a person. So if I charge you 500, we meet once, I buy you lunch for 50 rand or 100 bucks. How much is left from that? You left with 400. What will I use for petrol? You get the point? So people who are saying that classes signals are 500 bucks, watch out, guys. You might not get the full service. You get a person who teach you once online and you don't even understand it, it doesn't even care. Then he leaves you alone. So let's watch it. Let's watch people who are doing those kind of things. Unless if they're doing it for fun, but I take this as a business. So it's up to you guys. I'm actually not forcing anyone to come to my classes or come to my signals. No, you do as you please. The industry is yours. Choose whoever you want and then go through them. If you get scammed, you get scammed. So yeah, guys, let me take the last question. My phone is battery low now. That's true. If I tell them, and I'm online traders go to Forex Gold, that the things that they post. I don't know what he says. He says go to Forex Gold. Okay, shop. Where is Nasdaq heading now? The market opened. I'll check it. You are real, my G. Thanks, my guy. Let me just take one more person, then I'll be off because my battery is low. I'm left with like 5%. Then I'll save the life. Can I ask King, robot is working or it's a scam? I've never used it. Guys, I'll be lying to you. I've never used a robot. We charge depend on situations. Guys, it's not okay. It's not about charging a lot of money. Isn't about because of the person needs money. It's because of the worth of the knowledge. You understand? You need to understand the quality of the knowledge, not the quantity of the knowledge. The quality of it. Did you mentor Stacy? No, Stacy is my colleague. She's actually my partner. So I didn't mentor her. We just business partners, we Forex partners. Use other blocks to trade Nasdaq, not really. Stacy does. Okay, fundamental analysis. Thank you guys for joining up for tonight. Please, we'll be back again live tomorrow. Check again and see what's happening. So thank you guys for joining tonight. Tomorrow will be live. We'll be analyzing our preparing time so that we can see what it will do. Since I told you that tomorrow we are actually going all out. It's a Friday, so we'll be analyzing and trading the whole day. So thank you so much, guys. Good night, good night, good night. Thanks for the clarification about the market. You're welcome, guys. Tomorrow we'll be taking questions again and analyzing. So thank you so much. Please check Nasdaq for me. I will. Which time frame you prefer to enter? Yo. Questions are coming. My battery is low, guys. I'm be live during the day and evening as well. So before you go, what do you offer? Guys, please inbox me. Those who need anything, please inbox me. So thank you so much, guys, for joining up. I really appreciate it. Nasdaq is going up. Yeah, I've confirmed that the 4 hour time frame is actually touched the 4 hour channel. So we might expect the uptrend. So yeah. So good night, guys. We'll talk some other time tomorrow.